One good thing outside of the lasting power of Bath and Body Works fragrance mist, the variety in fragrance, the fact that it's a mist. Today we shall discuss how to put on, how to apply specifically Bath and Body Works fragrance mist. And now I'm gonna smell like all three. So the thing to note, other than these three fragrances that I will give you the names of in case you're wondering what they are, I went over a video, regardless of brand, on how to specifically apply fragrance mist that mist out, and that the difference between fragrance mist and the difference between body spray and fragrance spray also was right down to the packaging, because if you notice, these mist out, body spray blast out. When something blasts out, you use more of the product. Fragrance mist, genius idea, Bath and Body Works. Now we gonna need you to up the ante on the lasting power. For the most part, that's why it takes so long to use these up. Now you might have a plan on using up these Bath and Body Works fragrance mist, and I can this out in 3 months. Cool, but you're gonna do a lot of spraying, because why? What class? It mists out. It mists out. When something mists out, less of it is going out of the bottle, follow me, than if it was blasting out of the bottle. That's all. Just, just fragrance mist basics 101 before we get into everything. All righty then. All righty. So the first thing to note about all fragrance mists from Bath and Body Works specifically, as far as how to apply them, other than they mist out, you're going to need a very good shower routine of similar fragrance, similar scents, or similar fragrance categories. And I'm going to discuss this in a different video, and have quite briefly. This is, if you don't want to get the collection, for example, this is white t-shirt. They finally brought it back. They brought it back. Repackaged, but they brought it back. Take the notes of whatever fragrance mist you have and then build off of that. So if you like the pear, see if you can find all pear. Unless you're going to go get all of the fragrance that is the fragrance mist. So for example, white t-shirt. You like white t-shirt, you don't want to get a pear scent and then layer it with white t-shirt. Get all the white t-shirt, the whole collection. If not, get something all pear. Shower with body lotion, body oils, all pear. If not, lavender cloud. Get something lavender. Fresh white t-shirt. Get another laundry smell. Fresh Getaway is another good one. Got a review of a body lotion that is on this channel. I did a few months back, I think. Clean musk. Find something that's a clean musk, or the clean musk category. And when I say clean musk, I mean musky. The OG know what I'm talking about, as in fragrance category, not musky as in, no, I have on deodorant, okay? It's a fragrance category when they call it musk, not flat out musky, okay? The first step to applying a fragrance is, once you've done your shower routine and once you have picked a note, and then base your whole other routine in front of it, shower routine off of it. Showering, we've done it with white t-shirt, bananas, passion fruit, banana flower. Find something passion fruit, find something banana flower, find something pineapple. Pink pineapple sunrise, find something that's pineapple. Find something that's palm sugar or smells sugary, or nectar. Find something citrus smelling. Once you've done that, and it's time for you to put on your fragrance, after you have put on your lotion, body oils, and you have done your layering. First thing to note about specifically Bath and Body Works fragrances. First thing you want to do, put this away from you. At least 5 feet. We know our arms can only stretch out so much, but just at an arm's length. You see what I did there? An arm's length. Then you want to make sure that at least before you get dressed, you spray in your contact points. Now this is fragrance mist, so you still want to spray it away from you. Here, but behind your ear inner neck on the left, inner neck on the right, inner arm, wrist. We're not flicking the, no, we're not flicking wrist here. And inner wrist on your opposite hand too. Then repeat the same thing for your ankles, inner ankle on the left and the right. Then you want to make sure that inner thighs, this is after you've layered and everything. So you're covered if you've already put on body lotion and body oil and you showered in front of all of that. So this is the assumption. Then once your clothes are on, you want to do one final spray. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that final spray. But you still want to have it away from you. Here, here, here. In the same spots. But now that you've done it pre-getting dressed, and now that you are dressed, that final hurrah, and then in your hair. Now, if you want my tips for applying fragrance to your hair, I'm going to link you to a playlist with that too, in addition to this video. As far as body care tips in general, I do have a playlist on either side for you all to enjoy as well. Until next time, love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient, it is kind, it does not envy or boast, and it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad, and it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,